Ok, donc bonjour, bienvenue. Aujourd'hui, c'est le vendredi 4 juin. C'est la fin de l'année. On a 2 jours qui restent. Ok, there's just Tuesday and Wednesday of next week left. We're almost there. You've almost made it. Ok, on va commencer avec un échauffement, un petit jeu. Et puis sortir avec une copine, travail collaboratif. On va travailler ensemble. Et puis travail indépendant. Ok? Ok, faisons un petit échauffement. Allez. Okay, so just a quick review of the participe passé régulier. And then real quick, I just wanted to say for late work, so if you're missing assignments for this class, make sure to turn them in before 10 p.m. on Monday. And I think that's the 7th. Could be wrong. Yeah, I think it's the 7th. So before 10 p.m. Monday, so that I can grade it. If you turn it in after then, I can't promise that the grade will kind of be reflected on your report card. So that way the report card that's sent home might not reflect that work that you turn in, okay? So if you're worried about your grade or you're worried about some late work, just make sure to get that to me before Monday at 10 p.m., all right? Okay, sortir avec une copine. So real quick, I wanted to take some time for us to look at this together. And then I wanted to give you all some time to work on it independently on your own. Because this is the last part for the class, okay? This is the final part of the class. Coucou. So it goes from here down, and then here are the new messages. Okay. So real quick, I wanted to go through some of these just to see if y'all were able to kind of understand roughly. So hopefully you've already answered these. And then I wanted to go to the end and kind of clarify some of this for y'all. Make sure it's 100% clear, okay? Okay, so I hope that helped a little bit. I hope that helped y'all kind of think about, okay, where do I go to find these answers for these? Kind of strategically, remember you're kind of putting puzzle pieces together. You're being kind of like a detective, right? And then here, écris une réponse à cette copine. So what am I asking you to do here? At the end. So after you've answered these questions, what am I asking you to do?
Respond to the finishing question.
Yeah, respond to the last question, right? So répondre à sa question à la fin, respond to her last question. And then what else? What else am I asking y'all to do? Exprimer is to express, like express yourself. Une fois, une deuxième fois is a second time. And then finally propose a different activity. Yeah, so propose a different activity. What's this middle one asking though? So we've got respond to her question at the end, offer up a different kind of activity. But what's the second one asking you to do? Tu veux, tu veux. Does anybody know what tu veux means? You've seen it a little bit here and there, but we've never really properly looked at it. Tu veux? Tu veux is going to be you want. Tu veux, you want. Je veux, I want. Yeah. So what do you think that middle question is asking? So je veux is I want. What is the second question asking? And I want to try to, yeah, asking if you want to do the same activity. So you want to express whether or not, like talk about whether or not you want to do the same activity a second time. Yeah, a second time. Okay. And so you could use je veux, for example. And for these, I want to encourage you to be thorough in your answer, okay? I want to encourage you to be thorough in your answers. And then try to use words you know, or you can even use expressions from her messages, right? So you can even borrow some of the expressions from her messages. Try to say what you're trying to say. And so if we look at the assignment, so you'll have some points, right? 12 points for the questions about the yellow boxes, right? To understand. And then 18 points for the final slide. So 18 points for your answer. All right, so 18 points right here. So 6 points. All right, 6 points each. So try to be thorough, all right? So I'm gonna stick around and help y'all out with that as much as I can. For the recording, I'm gonna say goodbye. Okay, I'm gonna say au revoir for the recording.